Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer, and if you need to create your professional portfolio, then you're in the right place. All you need to start my course is Adobe Illustrator. From scratch you will create 10 design projects. Icons, posters, logos, business cards, book covers, backgrounds, stickers, invitations, infographic, brand and brand book. All designs in my course are commercial, which means you can easily find your customers with your portfolio or sell your designs online. Also on my course there is a tutorial called Action Plan, with which you will understand how to act when you already have your own portfolio depending on your goal. You want to find freelance work, want to sell your designs online, or want to find offline work. And the most important thing is that on my course you will not repeat after me. You will create your own designs from scratch. How? I will tell you everything on my course. We will find out all my tips and tricks of creating a design from scratch so that you become a graphic designer. And if you're ready to study with me, let's make a step in the graphic design together. How to purchase my course? You can purchase my course on my course website. My course has 2 levels. Level 1, only me, where you study only by yourself. The price of the course 69 euros. Access to all course materials for 200 days. You completely study on your own without my support. There are Telegram channel for members where you can chat with each other, and as well in the end of the course you will get certificate if you complete all course and send the course portfolio to my email. If you want my personal support on my course, then you need to go to level 2 with Elena. The price of the course will be 179 euro. And what will you get? My individual support on the course for 3 months. What it means? You can ask questions about my course and about course tutorials, and you can build your portfolio personally with me. And we will study with you for 3 months. Access to all course materials for 200 days. At the end of the course, I will evaluate the portfolio in video format for everyone and give advices. As well, you will receive a course completion certificate. The price for completing the course is my book 50 Easy Ideas. If you don't know about my book, you can go here and read all information about my book. So guys, no matter you will study by yourself or with me, you will create your commercial portfolio, and with that portfolio you can start work as a graphic designer.